Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the Zoom application on mobile phone, and I'll let to show you the way how you can do share screen whenever you do a meeting on Zoom application. Open your Zoom application first, and then you just need to join the meetings, or you can also create a new meetings by yourself. Joins mean that the room meeting is already provided by someone else's, so you just need to click the link to join into the room. But then new meeting is the meeting room that you just created. And then we also share screen here, but you cannot use this right away before you join the room meeting. Let's just start the new meeting here and just click start right away. And now we're already in a room meeting, so if you want to do a share screen, just take a look on this button feature, and then you just need to slide it into the left side until you found share. Just go click it, and there will be like an options here. Just go click screen, or you can also choose other options that you want to share specifically into the Zoom application. So whenever you're done, you just need to tap back into the screen and then just end for the meeting by clicking the end on the top right corner, and just go click end meeting for all. For today's tutorial guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.